Hello friends, how are you? Spoken English class number 1. Parts of speech. Today we are discussing about 3 parts of speech, namely number 1 noun, number 2 pronoun, number 3 verb. First one noun. A noun is a word that names something such as a person, place, thing or idea in a sentence. Nouns can play the important role of subject, direct object, indirect object, subject complement, object complement, appositive or adjective. Examples: naming people. It could be a name of any person. For example, Krishna, Sanja, Tom, Johnson, Ramu, and so on. Naming places. It could be a name of any place. Example: America, Japan, Russia, England, Taj Mahal, Delhi, Nepal, Church, Charminar, and so on. Naming things. Naming things are like bus, car, hat, table, chair, pen, ball, bottle, and so on. Naming animals. Lion, tiger, dog, rabbit. Horse, elephant, peacock, and so on. Naming feelings, qualities, ideas, enjoy, fear, charm, beauty, strength, anger. Example: Ramu live in Britain. Sanja is my sister. I love to play with my car. I love to play with my cat. The name of this rabbit is Babu. Antarctica ocean is very vast. Second one is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. Pronouns refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned to be a noun that does not need to be named specifically. Examples: I, me, he, she, herself, you, it, that. They, each, few, many, who, whoever, whose, someone, everybody, etc. Sentences. Ramu himself went to check the door. He himself is responsible for those low marks. Ramya herself looks into the nitty gritty of running the house. They themselves admitted to their mistakes. The book itself tells you all about nouns. 6. I myself am a speed walker. Third one is verb. A verb is a word or a combination of words that indicate action or a state of being or condition. A verb is the part of a sentence that tells what the subject performs. Verbs are very important to form sentences. Example: Vikram walks in the early morning. Ramu is going to school. Albert does not like the walk. Meghna is a good girl. Verbs are related to a lot of other factors like the subject, person, number, tense, mood, voice, etc. Example: She smiled. Ravi wake up at 6 a.m. Akhil is going to school. They are walking in the park. I have seen a movie. Don't waste your time. They must play their best game to win. She should call him. I will go there. Shiva eats his dinner quickly. We went to the exhibition. You write neatly in your class notes. I hear the train coming. Call me when you are finished with class. I know the answer. She recognized me. Thank you for watching this video.